So, you watched Mr. Robot or probably any hacking movie ever, and you probably thought to yourself, "Oh, actually, let me download Metasploitable so I can do some hacking." Well, I wanted to get rid of that idea. Hacking and exploiting is not as easy as it sounds. After all, you're just a script kiddie. You're just getting into it. You've probably watched our first video on how to install Kali. Now, this is a little bit different. This is actually quite easy to install, and that's all I'll be showing you today on how to do. So, Metasploitable 2. First thing you want to do, you want to Google Metasploitable 2. Download it, probably takes around 10 minutes. It's 2 gigabytes. Download it, extract it, and then, yeah. Go into your VirtualBox, go into New, and then name it whatever you want. Change your type to Linux, and you can either go for Debian or you can go for Ubuntu. Makes no difference at all. After all, it's just a server. The machine folder section is just where your VM will be stored, so don't worry about that too much either. It'll just keep it to default. RAM, give it a few extra if you really want to. Again, it doesn't really make a difference. Your hard disks, make sure it's ticked on create a virtual hard disk, and make sure it's on VMDK. That's what you want. Dynamically allocated, and storage, just set it to 2 gigabytes. It's a small server. It doesn't need any storage. Click create. Oh, you came into an error. Don't worry about it if you get this error. Okay, this is just because I've made this virtual machine plenty of time. Just click create again and it should just load. There you go, sorted. Next, you want to go to settings. And then you want to go to your network section, and then here you can change from NAT to bridge adapter so it's connected straight to your Kali Linux, and I'll show you why later on. Then go to your storage, little blue icon, click that, go into the file that you downloaded the Metasploitable from. This is past me watching this. This is future me doing a voiceover, so I'm a bit slow here. Click on Metasploitable. There's a little VMware virtual disk. Just click on it. Here you go. Open. Click choose. Click on choose. You choose which one it is. So Metasploitable VMDK is the one we just chosen. That's the one. Click OK. And then boom. Look at me circling my mouse around. That's just saying that it's all done. Going back to network again. Don't know why, but it's just, yeah. Moving on. Click start. Metasploitable will start. And it will take a while. Give it at least a minute, because it's the first time booting, it takes a while. So in the meantime, past me is just gonna play some Highway Racer. So we're almost done now. So now here you can click on, well, login of msfadmin/msfadmin. That is your login. Very straightforward. So just write msfadmin as your username, click enter, and your password msfadmin. Boom, you're in. Next thing you want to do is an ifconfig command so you can find out what your address is. At the top where init addr is 192.168.0.59, that's your address. That's what you want when you go on Kali. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to load up Kali. Kali will take a while to load, just letting you know. So, boot into Kali. First thing you want to do is go into your rootkit so you can run a ping command. Just write in the address we copied from earlier. Boom, here you go. You got a connection. Next, what we can do is you can go on the browser and write the exact same address that we got from Metasploitable. Boom, it works again. DVWA, you can use that for SQL injections. That's your username and password at the bottom. Very secure, as you can see. You can mess around, you can change the security in here, stuff like that. Going back, multilidale or multilidai is born to be hacked. Very cool. This is for web-based attacks. You can use that as you wish. We'll probably make videos of that in the future. Going back, we'll just run a simple nmap. So nmap-sv, that'll just make sure, they'll tell you the version of, on the port. -O, that's just the operating system that it's running on. So put in the address again from before. That's past me highlighting it and explaining it, but yeah. Start the nmap. This again will take a while, just letting you know. Boom, we're there now. So that list is pretty much all the ports, anything, kind of any services that are open on it, and all the versions for it and all that kind of jazz. For example, as I will highlight in a second, VSFTPD 2.3.4 is a very well-known backdoor that was placed quite a while ago. Now, Metasploitable has that installed, ready to go, just for you to be able to be a script kiddie and try hacks on it. Okay? Well done. Thank you for getting to the end of the video.